We've all watched tips and tricks videos, whether it may be for guidance on how to land quicker or just find the loot easier, and not all tips and tricks can be used in the game and not cause us to die. So in this video, I will be showing you 5 tips and tricks you should never try, if you don't want to die, of course.
In order to take cover while hiding behind a vehicle, burst the tires using your fist to avoid bullet shots from below the vehicle. Using an AR to do the same would result in disclosing our location to the enemies.
Situationally speaking, if you're going to take cover behind a vehicle, it more than likely will be the last option you have, because people will choose to shoot up the vehicle until it explodes to kill you. Also, if the situation is just want to take quick cover because someone near is shooting you, crouching to punch the tires just so no one can shoot you would be pretty dumb, because parts of your body are still being exposed, which results in you dying because you can't be prone while punching the tires. So it would be best for you to not do that while someone is attacking.
You can mark the airdrops in this manner and find out the exact distance. Open the minimap and mark a pointer at the same distance in the same direction. You'll find the drop over there.
I'm not gonna lie, this really looks like a very sufficient way to find the loot. So I actually took the liberty of trying it myself by trying it exactly how he did it. So as you can see, I am in a solo match trying this out.
Enemies ahead. I got supplies. I got supplies. Enemies ahead.
So I came to the conclusion that this trick doesn't work anymore, probably because of PUBG's regular updates. This trick would have been very useful, no doubt, but it doesn't work, at least now. So on to the next one.
You can hide in this tree near the school building and attack your enemies easily.
This trick is actually a good one, so I took the initiative to try it myself. So as you can see, my approach will be a bit different. I tried the bunny hop and it worked. However, it did take me quite some time to actually do, because I fell a lot out of the tree and I wasn't catching the right parts. But if you're good or just lucky, you'll get it on your first try, so it can be done. And I did it again his way, and I did it, well, kind of, but it still did take me a while to make that much progress doing it his way. If you miss it on the first try, you will lose more than half of your life. And imagine doing this and you kill someone and someone spots you and you have to jump out of the tree after they shoot you a couple times. You're gonna be dead. So I personally deem this trick risky, so I wouldn't recommend anyone to try this.
In case of quick evacuation, you can carry 3 members on a buggy in this manner. Keep in mind to drive slowly.
So I found this trick very funny because he said it was for quick evacuation, but then he proceeds to tell us to drive slowly. This is probably the worst recommended tip ever, because this is basically PUBG suicide.
Oh my god! Oh jeez! Oh my god! Oh,
for your team. Your squad will be annihilated trying this. And I'm not exaggerating. Come on, the third person had a better chance of living by running and hiding, while the other two would have a better chance of living by driving away at high speed.
You can save yourself from a grenade by not being in the line of sight of the grenade. This works even with a small tree.
When I first saw this trick, my immediate reaction was, PUBG logics though. Like, seriously? So I definitely had to try this out. So as you can see, 8scope will be throwing the bomb at me. And watch. Look at my health, look at his. Wow. I wasn't touched at all. But he was. And he went way back. So you should know. I definitely would not recommend that trick because most pro players do cook their bombs, and when they do, they throw it directly at you or at your feet. So don't do it unless you have to.